Hey tubers, welcome back to another video. This one featuring the NCE SB5, which is their smart booster, and that's the upgrade command station and 5 amp booster for the power cab. So directly in front of you, middle right, you have the SB5 command station booster, and then you have its power supply, and this is the plug going into the wall. And you can see right here that power supply provides power into the SB5. So coming out right here is the power, DCC power, going to the layout, and that's first going through this PSX circuit breaker over here. So power is coming out of the booster into the PSX, goes across the PSX circuit breaker, and then this is the output going out to the track. In this particular setup, we have the SB5, and this cable is going out to the throttle network called the cab bus. So on the other end of this cable we have an RB02, which is the radio base station. That will enable a radio throttle located over here on the far left to communicate with the SB5. So you have the SB5 command station, you have on the other end of this cable right here an RB02 radio base station, and that RB02 allows radio signals coming from your radio throttle to be executed by the command station in the SB5. This particular guy over here, if you look a little bit closer, so this guy looking a little bit closer is actually a power cab that we've upgraded to be a radio pro cab throttle when it's working with the SB5. Normally the power cab is its own standalone system, but as soon as you unplug it, everything on the railroad goes dead, because the power cab as a standalone DCC system is the command station, booster, and throttle. But if you unplug a command station and booster from the railroad, one, you don't have a command station, two, you don't have any power going to the track. In this case we wanted some flexibility so we can use this power cab as a throttle on any of our radio layouts here in the shop, but also when we need it to act as a power cab in order to run locomotives, test, or program, we can just plug it in and it fills all those functions. So a really flexible piece of hardware right here. So again guys, just as a recap, the SB5 is sold separately, and it includes this power supply right here. This SB5 is the upgrade to the power cab. The SB5 also allows you complete freedom to walk around with either a power cab or a pro cab throttle, and then when you add the RB02 radio base station, that will allow your radio throttles to communicate with the SB5. And then over here, this is your circuit breaker protection going out to your railroad. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. You can give us a call at Tony's, send us an email, info@tonystrains.com. Love to hear back from you. Love to see your feedback below. Later guys.